Hello, Beshi. Kamusta ka? Yes, I know. Life is so difficult for these past few months na minsan maiisip natin na kaya ko pa ba? O kakayanin ko pa ba? Pero alam mo ba, sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, I just wanted to encourage you. Don't lose hope, kapatid. Be still and know that He is God. At natatandaan mo ba yung kasabihan na hanggat may buhay, may pag-asa? Totoo yan, kapatid. Gaano man kabigat ang mga nararanasan at pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, always remember this. God is so faithful, and He will not let you be tested beyond your strength, but with the testing, He will also provide the way out so that you can be able to endure it. Sabi yan sa 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verses 12 to 14. Sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo, makakaasa ka na hindi ka iiwan ng Panginoon dahil sabi niya sa kanyang salita, He will never leave you nor forsake you. You just need to trust God and surrender everything. Ano man yung problema niyan at gaano man yan kabigat, iwan mo sa Panginoon because God is surely make a way. Hindi mo man nakikita, ngunit makakaasa ka na gumagawa ang Diyos sa buhay mo.